Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In yesterday's lesson, I explained you critical angle. So, if you consider critical angle is located in the dense medium. It is an incident angle. It is between the incident ray and the normal. So, it's a special incident angle known as critical angle. In this case, the refracted ray will travel along the interface. Because of that, the angle of refraction will be 90 degrees. In yesterday's one, I didn't draw the broken line, and some children questioned me, "Sir, you have not written broken line, so what about us?" You can draw, my children. That broken line we draw as a reference, okay, to make the refraction properly without mistakes. Okay, so all of you have to understand this. When you the light ray through the dense medium, maintaining an angle equal to critical angle, then the light ray will be refracted along the interface, making an angle of refraction equal to 90 degrees. Now the point it is, if you look at this diagram, okay, in this diagram, the same two medium, I have made this angle greater than the critical angle. Okay, for simple example, if water's critical angle is 49, I am making this angle 50 degree or 51 degree or 52 degree or 53 degree. An angle greater than the critical angle. Okay, in that case, what this one will do, what this ray will do, if it is critical angle, it will go along the surface, right? It will undergo reflection. Remember, it is not refraction, it is reflection. So, in the case of reflection, right, the two angles will be equal. Angle of incidence equal to angle of reflection. This reflection is called total internal reflection. Okay, to perform total internal reflection, the angle of incidence should be greater than the critical angle, then only it will take place. In this side, I have drawn a diagram, the same two dense medium and rare medium, but this time I have drawn an angle less than the critical angle. It is less than the critical angle, right? If it is less than the critical angle, if it is less than the critical angle, it will get refracted. Okay, it will be getting refracted. It will stay above the interface. So you have to understand these three carefully. Critical angle, if the angle of incidence is critical angle, it will go along the interface. If the angle of incidence is less than the critical angle, it will undergo refraction above the interface. If the angle of incidence is greater than the critical angle, it will undergo reflection, and it is called by the name total internal reflection. It is called by the name total internal reflection. So to the total internal reflection to take place, okay, for the total internal reflection to take place, for total internal reflection to take place, one condition that should be fulfilled is light should travel from dense medium to rare medium, to dense medium to rare medium. Second condition, angle of incidence should be greater than critical angle. Okay, so total internal reflection is a very important concept and very common question portion in the exam papers. Hope all of you understood it. Okay, total internal reflection. Okay, right. You have to remember, in total internal reflection, incident ray is totally reflected inside the dense medium. In total internal reflection, incident ray is totally reflected inside the dense medium. Okay, no refraction takes place. Refraction is not taking place. Instead, reflection is taking place. Okay, critical angle, okay, should be less than the angle of incidence. Hope you understood it. So this is the work for the day. Okay, with tomorrow's lesson, I am finishing unit number 5. Jazakallah khair. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.